Do you ever feel that people take you for granted? That no one really acknowledges your efforts? Whether it's at home or at your workplace or in life, many of us feel unappreciated at some point in time. बल्कि हम में से कोई ऐसे लोग भी होंगे जिन्हें लाइफ में कभी अप्रिसिएशन मिला ही नहीं. Everybody has always taken you for granted. Nobody ever asked you either for your opinion or for your consent. जैसे कि आपका कोई वजूद ही ना हो. But the real question is, who is at fault? Is it them for not noticing us or for us for not speaking up? In today's video, let's talk about why this happens and what we can do to change it. So, I have divided this video in 3 parts. Why do people take you for granted? Are you responsible for this? And how to stop being taken for granted. This happens because we have started following a pattern. We do things for others without expecting anything in return. And over time, they assume that it's our responsibility and not any effort. It starts small. You help, you care, you go that extra mile. But soon your act of kindness is considered to be your duty. That's when it all starts, the taking for granted thing. For example, a hard-working employee stays up late in the office, finishes all the tasks pending, and in return gets no recognition. A housewife wakes up early in the morning, prepares all the meals for the family, does all the household chores, takes care of other responsibilities, but at the end of the day, all she gets to hear is, "तुम्हें काम ही क्या होते हैं?" When you constantly show up, people assume you always will. The hard truth, we teach people how to treat us by what we tolerate. Breaking the cycle starts with small changes. Ask for help, set boundaries, and remind people kindness is a gift, not a given. The more you give without setting boundaries, the more people assume it's your duty. Now the question arises, are we responsible for this? Well, sometimes we are the reason for people not seeing us. Or in other words, we are the reason for us to feel invisible. We don't say no. We don't express our needs. We don't ask for appreciation. If we don't value our own efforts, then how will people value them? I'll give an example here. I have never asked my family कि आज खाना कैसे बना है, because I am too scared to know the answer. Or you might say I am a little underconfident when it comes to cooking. But on the other hand, my mother-in-law always makes it a point to ask, and वो अपनी तारीफ सुनने के लिए wait करती है. This is what exactly I call asking for appreciation. Now let's focus on how to stop being taken for granted. Now the first step to stop being taken for granted is communicating clearly. Tell people whenever you need help. If you're tired, say it. If you need break, take it. Recently, one of my friends was extremely depressed about her situation at work. Because the biggest mistake she did ever since she started working was saying yes to everything. Even I have done this in my marriage. I have said yes to everything just to be in everybody's good books and with the sheer purpose of not disobeying anybody. But क्या मिलता है हमें हाँ जी करके? लोग तो हमें बस taken for granted ही लेते हैं. So, second thing which you need to do is stop feeling guilty. You don't have to do everything alone. And the world won't stop if you don't do things. Taking time for yourself is not selfish, but it is very necessary. I've lately started practicing this and it is working wonders to me. I'm actually getting a lot of me time for myself. And the third thing which you can do is appreciate yourself. Start acknowledging your own efforts. Write down your achievements, treat yourself, and don't wait for others to validate you. A lot of our energy is wasted in waiting for validation from others. So stop doing that. You know what I do? I appreciate my efforts and compliment my success by writing them down in my diary. I'm sure my diary must be very proud of me. Self-respect starts with you. So after knowing all this, what should we conclude? The conclusion is that people don't take us for granted. We allow people to do that. But you know what is the good news? We can change this. But once you start valuing yourself and setting boundaries for yourself, that's when people will also start respecting you. Have you also felt taken for granted? What did you do about it? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know them. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.